I decided to make this video for those of you who are wanting to take out these Gunwale side protectors on the wave runners. I don't think it matters which brand, which model wave runner. It's any of the wave runners that Yamaha sells. I looked up videos and there's only found a couple, and then everybody was saying, both individuals, you know, and I do appreciate your videos because they help me out with other things as well. But with these, they're saying talking about grabbing the ends. Once you take this piece off over here, which is that piece down there, so you have a couple bolts, depending which model, you have a few bolts to unscrew, and then this whole front piece will come off, and then it brings you to this piece right here. They were saying that, you know, it's very difficult to pull out, which it is. You grab the end with the needle nose, pliers, or whatever, and pull. And you'll see, I took this side off, how it's channeled at the end. So it sits right inside. So it fits really snug. And it's going to take forever to try to pull these out, especially if you're, you know, being on the jet ski trailer. You know, the trailer's going to want to move for, obviously, you're going to want to put blocks and everything if you tried to pull it out like I did on this side here. But I just soon realized I got frustrated because I was trying to pull the damn thing out. And what I did out of frustration, I got my needle nose. Where are they? Let me get my, actually, I don't even know if I need my needle nose. But frankly, all I do is pull this out right here. And all of it, the rest of it will just, as you see, easily remove. You're not damaging anything. You don't have to slide it out. All you do is pull it off. And it comes right out easily. And that's it. Pull it right out. And then, of course, when you put the new one in, you put the new one in, you don't have to slide it in. All you do is just snap it in. So you get this part, and you pretty much just press it all in. It'll take some effort, and then all of it will press in. As you see, this part's pressed in. So you don't have to slide it to install it. You don't have to slide it to take it out. All you do is pull out and then press it back in, and it will fit right back in its channel. That's it. Very simple.